Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be assembling the Bodywel M275 series. Let's get straight into the video.
Hello there. Right, today I'm going to look at the installation and build of this Bodywel M275 e-bike. Looks a nice bike. It's obviously packaged so we can't really see too well. Comes with the tyres all attached here, all of them being inflated at the right pressures, which we'll talk you through when we do it. It also comes with accessories. So what we've got here is we've got the saddle, obviously the power adapter, the pump, the metal pedals, which is pretty good, quite a rigid stand, Allen keys, some spanners, and the quick release bolt for the front wheel, and obviously a good set of instructions. Now, you don't want to see me unpack all this. I think what you'd like to see is some Darren magic, wouldn't you? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to fit these pedals. Metal pedals cast with reflectors on, quite nice. They are marked left and left. It has also got the Titan arrow on there, should you get confused. It does come with a nice chromium 15mm spanner, which again is nice to keep for maintenance. So if you just start to screw that on, okay, as soon as it then shows resistance, just then take over with your 15mm spanner and then just wind it in nice and slowly and gently. What you want to avoid is any cross threading of these. Okay, all the way in. Don't drop your spanner. All the way in. And just pinch them up nice and tight. Just check it rotates. And what you're going to be doing with the same on the other side, obviously that's marked right hand side, and the rotational and your 15mm spanner. So what we're going to do is fit this light here. You can see it's quite a bulbous lens on this, so it looks quite good actually. Be interesting to see what this is like when it's illuminated. We've got a reflector on it as well, and obviously you can adjust these. In here you have an Allen bolt that goes into the frame here, so that can locate anywhere in amongst that U bracket there. And what you're going to do, again, same thing I always do, is just hand tighten it in there. Now what you can do when you start to tighten this up, is just to position your light where you'd like to have it, and obviously you can adjust that again for the angle once it's in there. So what we're going to do now is fit the front wheel. You can see there it's got the brakes here, the calipers and the disc there. So we've got to make sure that they align fully through here and we don't damage this casing. This does come with a bolt here that is sacrificial, so it's not something that's integral to the bike. Okay, next plan is to get the handlebars onto the stem. Is to remove this bracket off of here. So you've got 4 of these bolts which will undo. So that's the bracket here. What you'll find is here, again, just be careful of the display. You've got little ridges in the actual handlebars themselves, and when they locate within there, you'll find that you can then adjust that as to where you want it to be. If you come around the front, you can see there's like a bullseye target here. If you centralize that about 90 degrees to your frame, that's where you want to roughly have that. Okay, so now we're going to fit the saddle. Quite a nice comfy saddle. Nice bit of memory foam in there, feels like to me. So again, it's got measurements on the back here for the height of the saddle. You know, there's marks in here. Don't go beyond that mark there because it'd be unsafe. But then, you know, if you're going to have the saddle right up here, you're going to be a very tall rider. So what you're going to do is locate that down, and I'll just put it roughly where I think I can locate that when I need it. And again, adjusting this Allen key at the back here until it's nice and tight.
Everyone, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the assembly of the Bodywel e-bike. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you haven't done already, subscribe, like and comment, and we'll see you for the review.